Welcome to Premath. In this tutorial, we are going to find the largest integer that does not exceed this number 3 plus square root of 7 whole square. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And now let's recall these two famous formulas, a plus b square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And the other one is a minus b square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. And now let's go ahead and add these two equations. If we add these two equations, this positive 2ab and this negative 2ab is gone. So we ended up with, on the left hand side, we are going to add over here. I can write a plus b square and then plus a minus b square, and on the right hand side I can write 2a square and then plus 2b square. And here in this next step I brought this 2 outside since it's common, so I can write 2 times a square plus b square. And now let's focus on this number. Let me go ahead and call this one as an a, and this radical of 7, square root of 7, I am going to call b. So I can write a equal to 3 value and b equal to square root of 7. And now we are going to substitute this a and b values in this equation. So this equation is going to become simply 3 plus square root of 7 and then square plus this one 3 minus square root of 7, and square on the right hand side is 2 times, I can write this one as 3 square plus square root of 7 and then square. And after a couple of steps we have simplified the right hand side and it turns out to be 32. And now let's go ahead and move this 3 minus square root of 7 square on the right hand side. So this could be written as 3 plus square root of 7 whole square, and we are going to have on the right hand side 32 and then minus 3 minus square root of 7 and then square. Now let me go ahead and call this equation as equation number 1. And now let's make one observation. We can write this 0 is less than 3 minus square root of 7, and this is less than 1. And if I take square on all these inequality, these parts, 0 square is same as 0 is less than 3 minus square root of 7 whole square, which is less than 1 square is same as 1. And now let's go ahead and multiply all these inequalities by -1. So the direction of these inequalities are going to switch. So I can write this one as -1 is less than -3 minus square root of 7 square, which is less than 0. And now let me go ahead and add 32 on all both 3 sides, this side, and this side. So we are going to get on this side, on the left hand side, -1 plus 32 is going to give us 31 less than, and in the middle this could be written as 32 minus 3 minus square root of 7 and then square, and less than 0 plus 32 is same as 32. And let's notice one thing, this 32 minus 3 minus square root of 7 square over here from equation 1, this is equal to this quantity, which is 3 plus square root of 7 square. So therefore, I am going to replace this middle part by 3 plus square root of 7 and then square, and everything else is same. So this is greater than 31 and less than 32. So thus 31 is the largest integer that does not exceed this number 3 plus square root of 7 square. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.